Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Pi and plugging it into your PC with a direct Ethernet cable. Make sure the Pi image is flashed and SSH is enabled. Set a static IP on your computer 192.168.2.1 so the Pi can be reached. Then assign the Pi 192.168.2.2 in its network config or via CMD line. TXT for some images, this ensures a predictable link. Once done, verify the Ethernet link light on both devices. A solid or blinking LED means physical. Once the static IP is set on your computer, boot the Pi and watch the link LEDs. If they illuminate, proceed to test connectivity. From your PC, open a terminal and ping 192.168.2.2 repeatedly. Packets should reply. If ping works, initiate SSH Pi at 192.168.2.2 and accept the host key. You will land at the shell. Change the default password and optionally configure /etc/DHCPCD. Conf for persistent static addressing. Make sure you understand. Finish by deciding whether the Pi needs internet. If so, enable internet connection sharing or configure NAT on your PC and add a default route on the Pi. Persist your static IP or switch to DHCP with a small DHCP server if preferred. If something fails, methodically check one thing at a time. Confirm cable type. Modern Pi uses regular Ethernet, check link LEDs, validate IPs with ifconfig or IPeditor, and disable PC firewalls temporarily. These steps usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.